A very good morning to you children. Myself Shabdika Pandey, your computer teacher, and children, welcome back to your computer period. In this video, we will start with a new chapter in computer, which is chapter number 5, editing text in Word 2010. Okay, so children, in this chapter we will learn about Word, Microsoft Word 2010, its component, how to start Microsoft Word, and many other things. In this chapter we will cover it. Okay, so let's get started with the topic. Okay, so before learning about editing text in Word 2010, we will see what is Word 2010 first. Okay, so let's start with it. Microsoft Word 2010. Microsoft Word is an application software used for word processing. Yes, Microsoft Word is an application software. It is a software, okay, which is used for word processing, which means we can make our document in Microsoft Word. We can make professional looking document in Microsoft Word 2010. Okay, it was introduced by Microsoft. Yes, Microsoft is the largest software company, and Microsoft Word was introduced by Microsoft company. Okay, so it is the leading software company, and Microsoft Word was introduced by Microsoft. Okay, one of the world's largest companies in software development. So Microsoft Corporation is the one of the largest companies in software development. Okay, Microsoft is the largest company, and Microsoft Word was developed by Microsoft. Microsoft Word has the power and flexibility to do the following. First is produce letters, reports, notices, newsletters, books, bills, etc. quickly and in a presentable manner. So what Microsoft Word can do? Microsoft Word can produce letters, reports, notices, newsletters, books, anything. Okay, so all these things are made in Microsoft Word. We can make newspapers, books, bills, notices, letters, anything in Microsoft Word in a presentable manner. We can make it in a presentable and attractive manner. Okay, we can make it quickly, within minutes or within a few minutes. Okay, we can make it in a presentable manner in Word 2010. Now next is modify the text. Microsoft Word can modify the text both while typing and after typing. Beautify the text using color, style, font, size, borders, shading, and various other effects. Okay, so we can modify the text while typing and after typing also. Okay, we can edit our text, beautify the text. Beautify the text means we can change the style of the text and we can change the font size of the text. Okay, so we can modify the text both while typing and after typing. Okay, and we can add shadings, various other effects to Microsoft Word in 2010. Okay, now next is we can insert graphics and make use of various drawing tools to draw pictures. Okay, we can make our own pictures in Word and we can insert the graphics. Graphics means we can insert pictures in our Microsoft Word 2010 and we can edit those pictures in Microsoft Word. You have seen pictures in books, newspapers and newsletters. Yes, so we can add pictures to our Microsoft Word 2010. Next is copy and move the text from one location to another. Yes, we can do that in Microsoft Word. Suppose, for example, we have written a document. We have typed a document, but that particular paragraph. If we don't want that particular paragraph to be in the Microsoft Word document, so we can copy that particular paragraph and paste it somewhere else, so that we can copy and move the text from one location to another, one document to another. Okay, so we can do it in Microsoft Word 2010. It is possible. Cut, copy, paste, we can do that in Microsoft Word. We have already learnt about the shortcut keys. Yes, we have already done the shortcut keys. So by using those shortcut keys, you can copy, you can move, you can cut, you can paste the text or pictures. Okay, so you can do that in Microsoft Word. Next is preview the text before printing it. Takes multiple printout. Okay, so Microsoft Word can do, it will be allow us to preview the text before printing it. Okay, print करने के पहले हम अपने text को किस तरह से print होगा, we can see that. हम अपने print होने वाले document को preview कर सकते हैं, मतलब पहले ही देख सकते हैं. और if it is not according to us, we can arrange it according to ourselves. ओके, अगर वो हमारे अकॉर्डिंग नहीं है तो हम उसको अपने अकॉर्डिंग अरेंज कर सकते हैं बिफोर प्रिंटिंग इट. ओके, सो माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड अलाउ अस टू डू दैट ऑल्सो. माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड हमें इस फीचर को भी अलाउ करता है. नाउ वी कैन टेक मल्टीपल प्रिंट आउट्स इन माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड. माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड का अगर हमने एक डॉक्यूमेंट बना लिया है तो हम उसके एक या एक से ज़्यादा प्रिंट आउट्स भी निकाल सकते हैं. ओके, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड हमें ये भी फीचर अलाउ करता है. ओके, सो आई थिंक यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड. नाउ मूविंग ऑन, हाउ टू स्टार्ट वर्ड 2010. हाउ वी कैन स्टार्ट द प्रोग्राम. For starting Microsoft Word 2010, we have to follow some. As we all know, for starting any program, we have to follow few steps. By step process, we can start any program. Now, for starting Microsoft Word 2010, first step will be to click on the Start button. As we know that at the corner of our window, our desktop, we have Start button. So, first of all, we have to click on the Start button. After clicking on that Start button, we will click on All Program. Where is All Program? This All Program we have to click on this All Program. Okay, so after clicking on this All Program, this is our second point. After clicking on this All Program, we will click this Microsoft Office. Okay, so we will click this Microsoft Office, and under this Microsoft Office, we have this Microsoft Word 2010 option. So we will click on this option. And once you will click on this option, your Microsoft Word window will open. Okay, so children, I hope you have understood this topic, what is Microsoft Word 2010 and how we can start the Word 2010 window. Okay, so this is all for today. In the next class, we will see some practical related to the Word 2010. Okay, and we will see the components of Word window and how to enter the text, how to select the text, how to print the text, how to copy the text. We will see everything in the next class. Okay, so till then, stay safe, stay in your home and stay healthy. And thank you for watching this video. Thank you, friends.